Today, I will be sharing my experience with COVID. So, let's start. Here are instructions. Today, I will be sharing information of COVID 19. Listen to me very carefully. If you have any doubts, so you all can ask me or write in the chat box. So, the full form of COVID 19. We all know what is COVID, but we don't know the full form. So, I will be telling the full form of COVID 19. CO stand for Corona, VI stand for virus, D stand for disease, and 19 stand for 2019 because it comes in 2019. If you are suffering from any of these, like fever, dry cough, sore throat, loss of smell or taste, difficulty in breathing, chest pain, or pressure, so first step you have to do is RT-PCR test. You may be thinking, what is RT-PCR test? Let me tell you what is RT-PCR test. So, RT-PCR test, I will tell you the first full form of this. R stand for reverse, T stand for transcription, P stand for polymerase, C stand for chain, and R stand for reaction. So there are three steps you can test you are positive or not. First, they will take a sample, then they will mix it with the leaks buffer to break down the cells. Then they will mix this place into RT-PCR machine. Then they will find if you are positive or not, if there is any coronavirus present in your body or not. Through that, they will identify if you are suffering with COVID or not. So, there are many preventive measures to stop the spread of coronavirus. First is clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distance is not possible. Don't touch your eyes or nose or mouth when you are out. Cover your nose and mouth with your blunt elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. So it will help not to spread the virus to another one. Stay at home if you feel unwell. Don't go outside if you are unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. If you are suffering from any one of these, so please take a medical help. So now when someone sneezes, so the droplets come out of your mouth, right? So these droplets can affect every uh, another person which is standing behind or which is standing there. So because these droplets are airborne, so these transit from through the air for its travel through the air for a longer period of time, and it can infect this can infect the other one. COVID-19, as we all know, COVID-19 is globally infected. There are some important material we must have at our home in this COVID-19 to test we are as we all having this infection or not, to test at home only. We don't have to go out. First we have to confirm at our home. First thing we have to is temperature machine, then oximeter, then steamer, then sanitizer, and the last one is mask. These are the important material we must have at our home in this COVID situation. If we have any little bit symptom also, so we can test with these things. So we all wear mask, but we don't have a knowledge of wearing a correct way of wearing a mask. We wear below the chin, below the nose, below the mouth. So right way is we should cover our mouth, nose, whole nose, as you can see in the image. This is the right way to wear mask. So I hope you all have understand it. You wear, now it's your duty to aware other one in your family, protect other from this coronavirus. So thank you.